very good morning to one and all. Today we are going to talk about heritage. What is heritage? Heritage means something that has been inherited. The word includes the concept of transmission from the past to the future. Heritage must in fact be considered a legacy that we receive from our ancestors and have to pass on to future generations. Cultural heritage is the creative expression of a people's existence in the past, near past and present. It tells us the traditions, the beliefs and the achievements of a country or region and its people. Why is heritage important to us? It is the duty of people to take care of their cultural heritage because it conveys diverse messages and values that contribute to give a meaning to people's lives. Represents the identity of a social group. Is unique and irreplaceable. Is a source of economic development. Represents a vehicle for understanding the diversity of people and developing a policy for peace and mutual comprehension. So now we are going to talk about what is archaeology. What is archaeology? Archaeology is the study of the past through the things that people made, used and left behind. The purpose of archaeology is to understand how people from the past lived and what they were like. What are the facts about archaeology? Archaeology enables us to understand not only where and when people lived on the earth, but also how and why they lived. Archaeology is a subfield of anthropology, which is the study of human cultures. The other subfields are cultural anthropology, physical anthropology, and linguistics. Archaeological investigations are a major source of knowledge of prehistoric, ancient, and extinct cultures. People who study archaeology are called archaeologists. Archaeologists use remains such as old coins, tools, buildings, and garbage to understand how people live. These remains are called artifacts. Much of what we see around us, such as computers, clothing, food, books, and buildings, are artifacts. Natural objects like a stick of wood or a piece of bone are considered artifacts if humans have used them for some purpose. From these artifacts, archaeologists build a model of what culture was like. Archaeology comes from the Greek words archaea, meaning ancient things, and logos, meaning theory or science. Why archaeology is important to us? Archaeology is important simply because many people like to know, to understand, and to reflect. The study of archaeology satisfies the basic human need to know where we came from and possibly understand our own human nature. The archaeology importance. Importance of archaeology. Archaeology helps us to travel back into time to get valuable information about the human settlements which existed centuries ago. It throws light on the cultural history of various countries and answers various questions about the lifestyles of people who lived in that part of the world. This is the pictures of archaeological museums. This is the picture of archaeological site. Thank you for watching my video.